Hi there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Infinix Note 10. By the way, I have used this phone continuously for a week, so it's going to be based on that usage. Now with that said, this phone is being sold online on Flipkart and it's available in two variants. Base variant is priced at 10,999 rupees for 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. Next variant is priced at 12,499 rupees for 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Anyway, that's the pricing and storage information. Now let's start off with the review. First, let's start with performance. This phone has Helio G85 processor with Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and everything is running pretty smoothly. For a normal user, the performance of this phone is pretty good. You will have a good experience overall. As for gaming, it is pretty smooth with minimal to no lag, and there are no heating issues. Even after 16 minutes of gaming, it was just slightly warm. For more information about gaming and performance, check our gaming review. Links in the description. Now these are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Next, let's talk about the massive display. Just like Note 10 Pro, this one also has 6.95-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. This is a huge display and it comes with punch hole design, which gives immersive viewing experience whether it is for watching videos or playing games. This phone comes with 180Hz touch sampling rate, which would be great for gaming. Now let's talk about hardware. This phone comes with all basic sensors and it has dedicated SD card slot. As for security side, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is pretty fast. It unlocks almost instantly. It also has the face unlock feature, which is also pretty fast. In good lighting conditions, it's pretty fast, unlocks within a second. In low lighting conditions, it's still fast, works the same as good lighting condition, unlocks within a second. And in complete darkness, it still works, but takes 2 to 3 seconds to unlock, as it brightens the display to see better. Now when it comes to software, this phone is running XOS 7.6 based on Android 11, and it has March 2021 security patch. So when it comes to software, there is no lag, everything is running pretty smooth, and it offers many features, which you can check in our best features and tips and tricks videos. Links will be in the description. When it comes to cameras, this phone has a triple camera setup on the rear with a 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.79 aperture, and for selfies it has 16 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture. Here are the sample pictures. Pictures from rear camera have good exposure control and colors look well balanced. Dynamic range is good and the sharpness is pretty good. The color temperature is on the colder side. Now these are the selfies. Color reproduction is good, slightly on the saturated side, and skin tones look good. Dynamic range and exposure control are also nice. Now when it comes to battery department, it has 5000 mAh battery and it comes with 18 watts fast charger in the box. Now the battery life is good for an average user with some minimal gaming, and it is supposed to give 0 to 70% in 80 minutes, which is nice. Next, this one comes with dual stereo speakers with DTS support. Here's a quick audio sample. Speakers are pretty loud, so when it comes to media consumption, ringtones and alarms, it will be good on this phone. And it has the audio jack. Now coming to the build and design, it has a great build and great design with polygonal vertical grating and top level frosting process, which gives it a premium texture, and it is wear resistant to fingerprints. When it comes to overall form factor, this phone has a thickness of 8.8 mm and weighs 205 grams. In hand, it feels nice, and for a big sized phone, it has good weight management. It doesn't feel heavy and even thickness is nice. So guys, to conclude, Infinix Note 10 offers great things like Helio G85 processor, 180Hz touch sampling rate with punch hole design, 18 watts flash charger, good cameras and dual stereo speakers. If you consume lot of media on your phone or play games, viewing and audio experience will be pretty immersive. If you're an average user, you're getting an all-round phone that's doing pretty good in all segments. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Do let us know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it always helps the channel. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech, meet you in the next one.